Morning students. Today topic matter, nature and behavior. केमिस्ट्री टॉपिक ना, ठीक है. मैटर, नेचर एंड बिहेवियर. दिस टॉपिक इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैटर या कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. व्हाट इज कंजर्वेशन? During a chemical reaction, the sum of mass of the reactant is equal to the sum of the masses of product. ठीक है? Got it? During chemical reaction, the sum of the masses of the reactant is equal to sum of the masses of product. This is known as the law of conservation of mass. Reactant and product. Reactant and product. Sum of the masses of equal. Clear? Both have equal masses after and before. Mass is equal. What is reactant? Participate in the reaction. It's called reactants. Anything participate in the reaction is called reactant. And then after chemical reaction and made by the product. क्या सीखा आपने कि केमिकल रिएक्शन में जो पार्टिसिपेट करता है कोई भी एनी प्रोडक्ट एनी मैटर, वो रिएक्शन के बाद जो बनते हैं उसको बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर? अब आता है ये वैक्स. जैसे कि आप घर में देखे होंगे बर्न ऑफ वैक्स. वैक्स को जो अब जिसको कैंडल बोलते हैं, कैंडल को आप जब बर्न करोगे ऑक्सीजन के साथ तो क्या बनता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, और साथ में वैक्स आपको दिखाई देते. तो उस वैक्स का अगर हम मास निकालें और रिएक्टेंट का मास निकालें तो बोथ आर इक्वल. क्लियर? और एक और एग्जांपल डेली लाइफ में यूज करके बता देती हूँ आपको. डेली लाइफ में यूज क्या? सम पीस ऑफ 5 पीस ऑफ राइस. सम 5 पीस ऑफ राइस and then making of या burn on candle. आफ्टर बाय एस, उसका एस प्राप्त होगा, उसका आप जो निकालोगे मास इक्वल रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइस के पार्टिकल को आप अगर बनाते हैं तो बनने के बाद कितनी राइस मिलेगी? 5 राइस मिलेगी. सो एग्जाम्पल कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैटर. क्लियर? If we look at the matter around us, we see that it undergoes some changes. We can identify this by looking for change in colors or smell in a state. Got it? Let's us try to understand this through an example. When we light a candle, it burns down completely. After some time, what has happened to the components, wax and wick of the candle? For a long time, it was the belief that they get used up or destroyed in the burning process. अगर हम उसको बर्निंग प्रोसेस में करें तो देखा जाए कि डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है. बट लेटेस्ट अटेम्प्ट आर मेड टू understand the burn of the candle, and we realized that is the chemical process where oxygen is also involved along this wax. Clear? During the process, carbon dioxide and water vapor are obtained by the product. Product is wax. But this was not known as till the learner it identify the gas being used of product in reaction. When the sum of the mass of the reactant was determined, it was the found to be the equal to the sum of the masses of the product. This was the first time it became clear that the reactant taking part of the chemical reaction are converted into product and not destroyed. आपने देखा कि जो रिएक्टेंट है डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं हुआ, कन्वर्ट टू किस में हुआ? प्रोडक्ट में. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. तो कंजर्वेशन मास का क्या डेफिनेशन होगा? व्हाट इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास? तो आंसर इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास ड्यूरिंग अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. During a chemical reaction, the sum of the mass of reactant is equal to the sum of the mass after product. Got it? This is known as law of conservation of mass या conservation of matter. Clear? Again, I repeat to answer what is conservation of matter, what is conservation of mass. Answer is during a chemical reaction, the sum of mass of the reactant is equal to the sum of the mass of the product. This is known as the law of conservation of mass. It is clear? Clear? Conservation mass, some examples. Your books, page number, open your page number 17. Open your page number 17. Conservation of mass and example, activities example. Put 10 milliliters hot milk in clean injection bottle and put in the cap back on the bottle. Take 2 milliliters lemon juice. See the lemon juice and injection syringe. Insert the syringe in the cap of the injection bottle as in figure 8. Clear? Wait the arrangement, make sure that is no contact between the milk and lemon juice. See the clear? Now press the injection piston slowly so the lemon juice fall drop by drop into the milk. Observe the change in the milk in the bottle. क्या हुआ होगा? कर्ड बन गए होंगे ना. मिल्क किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? कर्ड में मिल्क कन्वर्ट हो गया. Where they are change in the mass of apparatus before the after experiment. So both are before and after, reactant and product. Both are equal sum of mass. For example of the conservation of matter. Clear? लिखा देखो note. Correct conclusion can be the draw from the experiment only if the weight instrument in the actual and the measure correctly. Clear?